Okay. All right. This is the restored duck. Let me show you. I made a new card holder. The old one would just not work with this. I installed 2 new tension springs in here. I had to custom make those so that to replace the rubber bands. And one of the problems was that this duck, the head had no spring tension on it. It was just flopping around. And there really wasn't anything in there that existed, so I had to design and make a new spring right here, which now lets the head work the way it should. Of course, this doesn't work like the normal duck. On the normal duck, the jaw comes down. As it comes down, it's spring-loaded and it snaps into position to grab the card. This doesn't work that way. The jaw on this one is solid, and the head snaps down or comes down. So, and to work this, it's kind of awkward, but it's the only way you can do it. You have this, which will bring the duck down, but you have to continue to push it like that to get him all the way down. So it's kind of awkward to work, but it's the only way that I can get it to work. So that's the operation on it. So we'll see if we can get a couple of cards out here. Okay, so to take this now, he'll come down. He'll take the card. And sometimes you'll have to hold it a little bit forward and get it in there, but you got to make sure he's all the way down to grab the card, and then he will take it up. Let's try to do one more. You got to sort of tilt them as you come down so that the cards will line up. It's the only way it'll go down, but you have to get it all the way down in there and then let it come up slowly. Let me get it in there. My fingers are a little too big for that bottom, but you come down with it, come up slowly with them, and it will grab the card. So it does work. It's awkward to work, but at least we got it working. Thank you.